talking about occlusion and how to apply it to full mouth restorations, crowns, or veneers is a very popular subject, and we love to talk about canine guidance and group function and all these things. But practically, how do we check or adjust occlusion on veneers? When you seat veneers and you try them in, the minute somebody goes into excursives, particularly in the anterior, they're going to run into their veneers and they are going to knock them off the teeth. So how do we check what kind of occlusion we or the ceramist has designed for our new veneers? And what I like to do, and the only way I have found to really check occlusion on veneers, is to check on the temporaries that we have made based on the design that the ceramist will use for the final porcelain work. So in this case, I've created the temporaries and I'm checking in excursives first, and you can see as we go into right excursive movements, there is a little bit of a gap between the end-on-end full excursive position on the right side and the incisal edges of the centrals. The left side looks pretty much perfect. So when I come in on the finals, about 2 or 3 weeks after this, when the patient comes back in and I've delivered the final veneers, I know I need to adjust the cusp tip on this right canine just a little bit to prevent that step down in crossover movement. That step down will create a chip or a fracture in the composite on the canine cusp tip if I don't adjust that and allow for a smooth handoff to the incisal edge of the centrals. Here, once I've confirmed that, I actually like to mostly remove the occlusion from the temporaries entirely.